Speech on apple, importance, benefits and significant details. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most popular and healthy fruits in the world, the apple. You may have heard the famous line, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But have you wondered why? In the video we will discuss the importance of apples, their amazing health benefits, interesting facts and why this simple fruit is powerful superfood. Origin and history of apple. The apple did not begin in modern supermarkets. Its journey started nearly 4,000 to 5,000 years ago in the mountains of Central Asia, especially in Kazakhstan. Today, the world's largest producer of apples are China, the United States, Turkey, Poland and India. In India, apples grow mostly in the cool climates of Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand. The Kashmir apples are world's famous for the juicy taste and aroma. Types of variety of apples. There are over 7,500 apple varieties in the world. Here are some popular ones. Red Delicious, Sweet and Crunchy, Granny Smith, Green Tangy, best for weight loss. Golden Delicious, mild sweet flavor. Fuji and Gala, extremely sweet and juicy. Kashmiri Apple, crisp with natural sweetness. Each variety has its own taste, color, texture and unique health properties. Nutritional importance of apple. What makes apple so powerful? A medium-sized apple contains vitamin C, boosts immunity, dietary fiber, helps digestion, potassium, good for heart, antioxidants, protects cell from damage, natural sugars, give instant energy. Apples are low in calories, fat-free, cholesterol-free and sodium-free, making them one of the healthiest snacks. Health benefits of eating apples. Boost immunity. Vitamin C and antioxidants help the body fight infections, especially during cold seasons. Helps in digestion. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that maintains a healthy digestive system and prevents constipation. Good for heart health. Apples that reduce bad cholesterol and maintain good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart problems. Helps in weight management. Apples make you feel full for long time. They are the perfect snack for people trying to reduce weight or maintain fitness. Controls blood sugar. Although apples are sweet, their natural sugars release slowly. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and is helpful for people with diabetes. In moderation, improves brain health. Studies show that antioxidants in apples support memory and protects the brain from aging. Protects against diseases. Regular apple consumption reduces the risk of certain cancer, asthma and heart diseases. Good for skin and hair. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, giving glowing skin and healthy hair. Interesting facts about apples. Apples float on water because they are 25% of air. The science of growing apples is called pomology. Apple tree can survive for 100 years or more. The longest lived apple tree in the US was planted in 1647. An average person eats 65 to 70 apples per year. Isn't that amazing? How to eat apples for maximum benefits. Eat apples with the skin. Most nutrients are in the peel. Choose fresh apples rather than processed apple juice. Wash properly to remove wax and pesticides. Best time to eat morning or before workout. Avoid eating apple late night. They may cause acidity for some people. Apples in culture and symbolism. Apples symbolize knowledge. As in the story of Isaac Newton discovering gravity, health because of their medicinal value, love and beauty. In many cultures and mythologies, prosperity, often exchanged as gift in many countries. Even popular brands like Apple Incorporated use the apple symbol to represent knowledge, innovation, and creativity. Conclusion. To conclude, apples may look like a normal fruit, but they are packed with nutrition, history, health benefits, and cultural significance. Whether you want to stay fit, boost immunity, improve digestion, or simply enjoy a tasty snack, apple is the perfect choice. So remember, an apple a day truly keeps the doctor away. If you enjoy this speech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.